So here I am at Passport Health. This is my 4th visit. So if that gives you a little hint as to what I'm going to announce today. It is my 4th week in a row coming here. And all right, no more of that. All right, so y'all have to forgive me because I came from water aerobics and went right to Passport Health. But on my way, I've driven past this place called The Grove, and it says Crate several times on my way to the Passport Health office. So I figured, you know what, let me stop today and see what it's all about. It's a little early, so most everything is not open. I don't have my selfie stick, so I do apologize for that. But this is cool. If you are in the Tampa area, this is actually in Wesley Chapel, so it's a little bit north of Tampa, but it's I don't even know how to describe it. It's a ton of specialty shops, and most of the stores look like shipping containers. And I'm over here, and there's like an actual stage behind me with all kinds of picnic tables, and there's a playground. So I'm assuming that they do have music and events here. But I'll turn you around so you can see. So if you're in the Tampa area and you want to take a visit, you know, they have some of the bigger stores on the other side, like Dick's and Outback. There's actually a hotel called The Spot, not too far from here. But let me just take a video and show you what this is all about, because it's really cool. All right, so this is The Grove at Wesley Chapel. So I looked up The Grove. I didn't look up Crate, but they have like, you know, big size checkers here. And I think we're just gonna take a walk. How you doing? And there, when I was pulling in, they have a whole section logged off, so it looks like that they're gonna be expanding this, probably because it's just such a unique. I've never been anywhere like this before, but I mean, look at how cute it is. And it's got like just tons of, I mean, you're gonna get your foodie out here. Like Peruvian Chinese fusion, hot dogs, Hawaii noodles. Might have to come back here once before I leave and just try. Most of, like I said, I'm here early. It's 10:30, so it's not even lunchtime. There's a bakery, a champagne bar with frozen cocktails. Oh my. Well, I hope you like that little tour of the Grove here at Wesley Chapel, north of Tampa. And like I said, I highly suggest, if you're in the area, to make a stop here. Well, hello. It's been a great day today. I'm so excited to share my news with you. And what did you think about the Grove? Isn't that like such a unique place? I hope if you're in the, Tampa Bay area, you'll take a visit up there and enjoy all the unique cuisine that they have. I hope that it's good. I don't know that it's good, but it certainly is one of the most unique little places that I've been. I'm here at my park, one of my last few trips, and as you saw earlier in my video, I have been making several visits to the Passport Health Office, which I didn't even know existed. But if you're looking to travel around the world and you go online and you kind of look up, are there any immunizations that you should have to protect yourself for the area that you're going, you can go to your local Passport Health Office if they have one near you, and you can actually make an appointment and go in there and review all the places that you're going to go, and they will print out any recommended immunizations or vaccines that you should have for that area. And it's not inexpensive. We submitted some of the invoices to our insurance because I'm hoping some of the boosters that I already had when I was younger will be covered, but it was definitely not inexpensive at all. But it is a health investment. So that being said, based on my Passport Health visits, I am going next week to Southeast Asia. And as of right now, I have a one-way ticket into Bangkok. And that is really all I have planned, is a one-way ticket into Bangkok. I don't have an itinerary. I don't have an agenda of anywhere else I'm going to visit or how long I'm going to stay in each place, barring visa requirements, obviously, would affect how long I could stay somewhere. So that's my grand announcement. I'm super excited to share the news with you, and I'm even more excited to take you along. So I guess the question is, am I going to be backpacking? I am only taking a backpack, a 40 liter and then a smaller one. And that's all. I'm not sure if I'm going to do hostels yet. I'm not sure if I'm going to do Airbnbs yet. I'm not sure if I'm going to backpack. It's to be determined at this point in time. But as you know, one of my most favorite ways to travel is without a plan. Because today was the perfect example. I only took that way to the Passport Health Office the very first time I went. And a couple times I've driven past the Grove, but I've never stopped. And I said, you know what, I'm going to stop today because I'm probably not going to be back this way. If you're in the Tampa Bay area, I would certainly make a trip up, a shopping trip. And it's not that far from Hillsborough River State Park. So an ideal day would be go to beautiful Hillsborough River State Park and spend the day there. And then it's a half an hour drive over to the Grove and then go get some food and whatever entertainment they may have going on in the evening. And what a wonderful day out. I really hope that you will help me. That's the biggest thing, is that I have not solo traveled outside of the country. I am very excited. I've done tons of research, but for those of you that have visited anywhere in Asia, I am open. I have a bucket list of places I want to go. But if you have those off-the-wall places to visit, to stay, things to see, please let me know in the comments. Give me your tips and your tricks. And yes, definitely, I can't wait to share this adventure with you. So thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Over the next week or so, I will be sharing with you some videos on what I'm packing. I'm going to turn around because they're mowing back here. So I've kind of been trying to avoid the mower. But over the past week, I have been putting everything, my last minute stuff together, and I will be putting out videos of what I'm taking. I will talk to you about the immunizations that I've had and why I chose some of those based on where I plan on going, so that I have those and I'm protecting myself. And I think that's it. I have a list at home. How's my cell phone going to work? All of those things that I'll be putting out some videos over the next week, like I said, explaining what I'm using, why after research I chose what I did, and share. And I hope that you will, if you have something better, or agree with my choices, that you'll comment on those videos and let me know that I'm on the right path. Wow, so I'm back in the car. I just felt like I was getting to the end of the video and I was all over the place. I was hot. The mower is going. I'm trying to stay away from the mower so that you don't hear it in the background. I'm trying to make sure that I don't step on a snake. I was so mentally distracted in so many ways. I just felt like I was mumbling. I was like, let me just get back in the car and just kind of like end this video without, see, you can see the mower, see him? It didn't matter where I was going. I felt like he was following me. All right, take care, everybody. Happy trails. Have a wonderful day. And I will see you in the next one.